What's up, everybody? You're watching another signNow video guide with the next tip on how electronic signatures can make your day-to-day document workflows paperless and stress-free.
With multiple legal documents scattered across applications, devices, cloud platforms, and corporate emails, ensuring information security is more important now than ever. signNow not only resolves this issue, but satisfies every legal requirement regulating eSignatures. signNow provides a built-in audit trail to ensure that documents containing eSignatures are technically and legally sound. Thanks to signNow, legal teams can easily eliminate forgery, improve security and compliance, and keep documents safe without any hassle. Let's take a look at how signNow does the heavy lifting so that you can focus on your goals, not paperwork. With signNow, you're always aware of any changes made to any of your documents. A document owner can view the document history anytime they need and check what actions were made in the document by which user, at what time, and which IP address. To quickly view a document's history, select the document you need and click More. Select History from the drop-down and the log will appear in the pop-up window. To download the document with its history attached, open the document, click the gear button on the top right of the page, and click Download with History. Here you'll find the same log on the last page of the downloaded document. Let's see what else you can do with signNow. There are two types of fields in creating a document in signNow: editable for document senders and fillable for document signers. Each field is assigned to a specific role. You can set each field as required or optional and specify which data types are valid for that field. If you need to sign a document before sending it, add your signature any way you like. Type your full name, draw your signature using a mouse, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose whether you'd like recipients to receive your invite in the order they're signing a document or at the same time. Customize invite emails, protect your document by adding additional authentication methods, set up document expiration dates with automated reminders, or allow your recipients to forward or even decline the invite. Select what you want to do with a signed document, including deciding who needs copies. Use document groups if you need to bundle documents together, send a group of documents to a single signer, or create signing steps for multiple signers across multiple documents. To start collaborating, create a team and invite your colleagues. As the team admin, you can add or delete users, view shared documents and templates, and so much more. Visit our Help Center if you need more help with signNow. You can start a live chat or submit a new support request, and our support team will contact you as soon as possible. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Ready to save time and money? Then click the link in the description and start your free 7-day trial of signNow.